It's Frugal Friday with Moni. I'm so glad you're here. Yes, this is Moni from Moments with Moni, and I'm so glad you made it to another episode of Frugal Friday. I don't know about you, but I'm dreaming of a garden. It's winter, I know, but such is life. As soon as Christmas is over and everything's put away, I start dreaming about that garden in the future. Of course, my husband, he's dreaming more of riding a motorcycle, that Harley, and with the grandchildren, or that old Triumph that he used to have. But unfortunately, it looks more like this outside for many of you. Many of us out here in Arkansas, even we got 7 inches of snow. These are old pictures from Idaho, so enjoy those. I hope you're not that cold, and if you are, I hope you're staying warm. Or maybe you're out there in the mud somewhere. Yeah, well, makes me want to get a coffee, but keep it frugal. So let's go inside and make a can of coffee, a jar of coffee with your favorite recipe, and pull out those seeds and a pad of paper and start planning that garden for the future. Oh, yeah. Peas are usually the first thing that I want to put in there. Yep. And poppy seeds did well last year, poppy flowers. And I have a whole bunch of seeds ready to go in the ground as soon as I have that. Oh, yeah, here it is. The planting planner for February of, you need to look for it online. You can find one in Pinterest or any of your local garden shops. I'm sure we'll have one. And then after we do a little bit of work, we'll have these little tiny seedlings growing up in our greenhouse in the future. But for now, I'm still sticking with the counter in the kitchen and a grow light and some microgreens because it's just too cold right now and nothing will grow or it molds on me. I know it's Arkansas. You wouldn't expect that, but such is life. So my favorite microgreens are sunflower seeds and radish and broccoli seed mix and peas even, pea shoots. So those are really tasty. So while you're dreaming of the garden, remember, Jesus is the vine and we are the branches and we can do nothing without him. So guard your heart with all diligence, for out of it are the issues of life. Happy planning!